Good afternoon, everyone. So, in last lecture, we have seen Fourier integral theorem statement. After that, Fourier cosine integral and Fourier sine integral. We have seen some examples. Next example, this was given to you as homework. What about this? Have you solved? Any one of you completed? Have you tried at least? Who is that? Your name, beta? Minakshi. Minakshi, have you tried? Okay, chalo, we'll solve. Given function, this is the function. It is asked to express this as Fourier sine integral. So my basic question, what is Fourier sine integral? Definition. Check. Come on, tell me. Fourier sine integral is f of x is without formula we cannot do anything. Tell me the formula. Fourier sine integral 2 by pi 0 to infinity sine omega x d omega 0 to infinity f of s sine omega s ds. Correct है क्या बघा? As it is sine integral, so everything is sine. Here it is omega x d omega and here it is omega s ds, and for second integration it is f of s, both are 0 to infinity and it is 2 by pi. This is the definition. Okay, then we'll solve it. It is equal to 2 by pi. Everything just we have to express it as sine integral, means integration should be there, integration of omega function should be there, and finally we'll show this where. So first of all you have to solve the part of s integral. So other part as it is 0 to infinity sine omega x d omega integration. Okay, limits. What is function? First of all, f of s. Tell me f of s. Value of the function from given question. What is your f of s? Forget. What is your f of x? This is the f of x. Pi by 2 in 0 to pi and 0 when x is greater than pi. Yes. इथे 0 चे याचा काही विषय येत नाही. फंक्शन डिफाईन आहे 0 to pi वर pi by 2. मग मला f of s लिहायचा आहे, म्हणजे जिथे आहे मला तो रिप्लेस 0 to pi. s 0 to pi आहे तेव्हा व्हॅल्यू काय आहे? pi by 2 आहे. सो व्हॉट इज व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन? इट इज pi by 2. जे काही आहे ते s मध्ये लिहायचं, इथे x वगैरे नाहीये. सो दॅट ओनली pi by 2. आणि व्हॉट इज द लिमिट्स ऑफ इंटिग्रेशन? 0 is fixed. As lower limit is 0, 0 is fixed. We have written f of s value pi by 2. In which interval? It is in 0 to pi. Are you there, beta? Are you getting? Respond. Respond, beta. You were asking. Minakshi. I think Minakshi, not Vaishnav. Hi, sir. Okay, good. Good. Okay. This is f of s. Value of f of s is pi by 2 and that is defined in 0 to pi. Good. So obviously that 0 to infinity now becomes 0 to pi into sine omega s ds. काहीच करायचं नाहीये आपल्याला. आता हे दोघं मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये हे कॉन्स्टंट आहे, बाहेर पडेल, पाय निघून जाईल, 2 पण निघून जाईल. कॅन्सल. It is integration 0 to infinity sine omega x d omega into integration of sine omega s minus cos omega s upon omega. फ्रॉम 0 to pi. ओके, त्याला सिम्प्लिफाय करूयात. 0 to infinity, बाकीचं सगळं ॲज इट इज. ओके, अपर लिमिट पाय ठेवूया. मायनस कॉस ओमेगा कशाच्या जागी? एसच्या जागी. कॉस ओमेगा पाय बाय ओमेगा मायनस मायनस ऑफ मायनस, लोअर लिमिट 0 ठेवा. कॉस 0 झाला 1, 1 अपॉन ओमेगा. एनी डाऊट? 1 minus cos omega pi, base is same, so upon omega as it is. That is equal to, therefore, f of x is equal to integration 0 to infinity. I'll write this term first. 1 minus cos omega pi by omega, this term, into sin omega x d omega. Okay? After value, we have written other things as it is equal to f of x. Now we'll go to, okay, this is the required Fourier integral, Fourier sine integral expression of given function. This is the expression. So if we see now, show that, just check it. 1 minus cos omega pi by omega, yes, it is there. Sin omega x d omega, yes, everything is there, right? So you have asked this only. No need to put x value. So can you tell me the answer? You have to show this is equal to pi by 2. And we have shown this is equal to f of x. But f of x is equal to pi by 2 in 0 to pi. So your answer is pi by 2 in 0 to pi. Can we write? As it is equal to f of x, but f of x is pi by 2 in 0 to pi. So that only asks that it is equal to pi by 2 in 0 to pi. So we can write, therefore it is equal to pi by 2. F of x is pi by 2. Everything is as it is, cos omega pi by omega sin omega x d omega, but only in the interval in 0 to pi. Any doubt? Done, finished. Good, Meenakshi, understood? Very good. You have only have to solve the second integral part, that is integration of s. First integral, whatever it is, we have to it will remain as it is. We have to let it as it is, omega function. We have to just finish s there. Good. That only is the thing. एवढं तुम्हाला होमवर्कला जमायला हवं होतं. आय थिंक सोपा होता. चलो नेक्स्ट कडे जाऊयात. येईल तुम्हाला हळूहळू. चलो पुढे घ्या. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. झालं असलं तर सांगायचं. हा झालंय की नाही. चलो पुढे. नेक्स्ट, एक्सप्रेस the function f of x is 1 if mod x is less than 1 and 0 if mod x is greater than 1 as check it. झालंय का? नाही ना? as Fourier integral and hence evaluate. नाही झालं वाटतं. Hence evaluate integration 0 to infinity sin omega into sin omega x upon cos omega d omega. You have to express the given function as Fourier integral, and by using that you have to evaluate, you have to find the value of this integral. Chalo, we will start now. We know the function. We know the definition of Fourier integral. So first of all, it is minus 1 to 1. Mod x is less than 1. Yesterday we have seen it is nothing but minus 1 is less than x is less than 1. The meaning of mod x is less. याचं नाही लिहिता येतं आपल्याला, याचं लिहिता येतं. याच्यासाठी झिरोज आहे. This is minus 1 to 1. If we go to check even or, what about the function even or odd? Okay, forget. We are not going to check. इथं xच नाहीये. इथं मॉड मध्ये x ठेवला तर फरक नाही पडणार. पण नको, चल तुम्हाला फुरियर इंटिग्रल नाही करायचे. We'll solve it by Fourier integral itself. Next. Then we'll write Fourier integral. The Fourier integral is. Tell me the definition. जर तुम्ही इवन ऑड चेक नाही केलं तर तुम्ही बेसिक नाही करू शकता ओरिजिनल फॉर्म्युल्याने. किंवा इवन ऑड चेक केलं, इवन असेल तर कोसाईननी सॉल्व्ह करू शकता, ऑड असेल तर साइन इंटिग्रलने सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. चल, फुरियर इंटिग्रल बेसिक इज 1 by pi. दोन इंटिग्रेशन, एक 0 to infinity, एक minus infinity to f of s into cos omega s minus x ds d omega. This is the basic definition. Okay? So it is equal to, जेवढं माहिती तेवढं ठेवूयात. 0 to infinity, याला तर आपण हात नाही लावत आहे. हे लिमिट्स आहेत s चे. Can you tell me now function and the limits? चलो, come on. What is f of s and what are the limits? Chalo, I'm waiting for your answer. F of s, yes, very nice. And limits are? Integration limit? Very nice. F of s, it is 1 in minus 1 to 1. So s limits are minus 1 to 1, where value is 1. Into cos omega s minus x ds d omega as it is. Right? Chalo, now we will find the integration. 1 by pi as it is, 0 to infinity as it is, this integration of this with respect to s. What is that? Integration of cos sine omega s minus x. Integration of cos is sine upon what? With respect to s. This is omega s minus omega x constant 0. Derivative of omega s with respect to s omega. Correct? This is from minus 1 to 1 d omega as it is. Okay. Chalo. So we'll put upper lower limits 1 by pi. This is as it is 0 to infinity. Upper limit is 1 for s. So it is sine omega 1 minus x upon omega. Upper limit minus. Lower limit s is minus 1. Sine omega minus 1, s is minus 1, minus x upon omega. Complete d omega as it is. Sine of minus theta, हा minus minus जर मी बाहेर काढला, हा 1 plus x होईल. Sin omega of minus of 1 plus x. Sin of minus theta काय होईल? Minus sin. Yes. So minus minus हा plus होईल आणि हे पण सगळं plus होईल. So it is equal to 1 by pi integration 0 to infinity sin omega 1 minus x upon omega. That is minus minus plus sin omega 1 plus x plus sin omega 1 plus x upon omega d omega. Okay. We have to check, is there any deduction? Yes, there is a deduction, and deduction is showing sine omega upon something. Actually, it is not cos, huh? Something, some mistake is there in show that. Okay, we'll check it, whatever it is. But it is sine something, sine cos, right? It is not sine omega into sine omega like this. What is that? How can we convert it into sine cos? Not omega into 1 minus x, omega into 1 plus x. This is actually sine omega minus omega x plus sine omega plus omega x upon omega base is same as it is. This is 1 upon pi integration 0 to infinity. Okay, what is this? Sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. What is this formula? Sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. Sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. This is what? बोला रे आपण काही फॉर्म्युले बघितलेत ना. 2SC is SS, 2CC is CC, 2SS is minus CC. Here it is A plus B, here it is A minus B, here it is AB. 2 sin A cos B is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Here it is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So what is the formula? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is 2 sin A cos B. Right? So this is omega base is same. For this we can write 2 sin A. Sin A का है? A is omega. Into cos B. B का है? Omega x. Upon omega as it is. सर्वांना समजलाय फॉर्म्युला? This is sin A. A is omega, B is omega x. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. We know the formula. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A is omega, B is omega x. So cos omega x. Now change our deduction. There is some problem in the book. So it is sin omega into cos omega x upon only the omega. Change this. Sin into cos upon omega in your original, and hence evaluate sin into cos upon omega. Okay, so we got this. If you see the deduction, 2 is not there, so 2 will take out into cos omega x upon omega d omega. And this only is asked, so that 2 by pi will take to the left hand side. It will go as pi by 2 to this side. Pi by 2 f of x is this, 0 to infinity sin omega cos omega x by omega d omega. But what is f of x? Check our f of x. F of x is 1 where mod x, yes, and it is 0 if mod x is greater than 1. So the value of this integration sin omega cos omega x by omega d omega will be pi by 2 into f of x. F of x is 1 in mod x is less than 1, and pi by 2 into f of x, that is pi by 2 into 0 if mod x is greater than 1. That is, it is equal to pi by 2 for mod x is less than 1 and 0 for mod x is greater than 1. Correct है क्या? Am I right? Whatever is the function, जे फंक्शन दिलंय ते त्याला फक्त मी मल्टिप्लाय करते. कशाला? π/2 ला फंक्शन मल्टिप्लाय करते. फंक्शन इज 1 इफ दिस and function is this if this. This is your answer. चलो, ask any doubt if you have. चलो, next is very important, mod function. If no doubt. Chalo, good. Take next question. Find the Fourier integral representation of 4 to 5 questions have been solved. Now you will help me to solve this. Find the Fourier integral representation of f of x is e raised to minus of mod x minus infinity to infinity. We find on minus infinity to infinity. Chalo, whatever is in your mind right now, talk to me. How will you solve? We have, chalo, I'll give you one idea. We have 3 integral theorem, 3 statements. One is Fourier integral, second cosine, and third sine. Chalo, come on. By what we can solve? If we can check even odd function, then we can go for cosine sine. And for even odd, your interval must be minus to plus. Yes, it is minus to plus type interval. So what we will first check? Even or odd, right? So we have to check for even odd. So we have to check f of minus x. What we do? We replace everywhere x by minus x. Minus x less than infinity. सगळं चेंज केलं आपण. मॉड मध्ये मायनस घेतला तर काही फरक पडेल का? नाही, इट इज ॲज इट इज. मॉड ऑफ मायनस एक्स इज मॉड एक्स इटसेल्फ. आता हे सगळे साइन मला बदलावा लागणार. इन्फिनिटी एक्स आणि हा झाला मायनस इन्फिनिटी. सगळ्यांचे साइन चेंज केले, लेस विल बी ग्रेटर. सो इट इज इक्वल टू ई रेज टू मायनस मॉड एक्स मायनस इन्फिनिटी लेस दॅन एक्स लेस दॅन इन्फिनिटी. आणि हे काय आहे? e raised to minus mod x minus infinity. This is f of x. That is f of minus x is f of x. Means what? Function is even. सगळे एक्स आपण चेंज करून बघितले. ओरिजिनल फंक्शन विथ इंटरवल ॲज इट इज राहते. Your given function is a even function. If it is even function, which integral we find? बोला. बोला. फुरियर इवन असल्यावर कुठलं इंटिग्रल शोधतो आपण? Very good. So we find Fourier cosine integral. आणि odd असेल तर Fourier sine find करतो. So Fourier cosine integral is definition f of x is 2 by pi 0 to infinity cosine. So सगळं cos मध्ये पहिलं ओमेगा x d ओमेगा, दुसरं f of s cos omega s ds. This is the definition. आणि जेव्हा तुम्हाला मॉड येईल ना तेव्हा ते इव्हन ऑड चेक करावंच लागणार, कारण मॉडचे इंटिग्रेशन आपल्याला काढता येणार नाही मॉड एक्सचं. मग तुम्हाला सेपरेट वगैरे करून ते सॉल्व्ह करावं लागेल. चल, देन इट इज इक्वल टू 2 बाय पाय. पहिले ॲज इट इजच ठेवायचे, कॉस ओमेगा एक्स डी ओमेगा into integration. Okay, f of s ची व्हॅल्यू लिहायची. What is f of s? चलो, tell me f of s. इथे f of x आहे. Okay, s. Actually you are saying s. बर, आता हे जे काही आहे ना हे 0 to infinity आहे. दिलेलं फंक्शन हे -∞ to infinity आहे. आपल्याला फक्त घ्यायचे 0 to infinity. म्हणजे कुठला पार्ट घ्यायचा आहे? पॉझिटिव्ह पार्ट, राईट. सो त्याचं मॉड काढलं तर चालेल का? 0 to infinity आहे. ऍक्च्युली दिलंय -∞ to infinity, बट आपल्याला हवाय 0 to infinity. आपण बाकीचा पार्ट ओमिट करून टाकतोय. आपण लिहितोय 0 to infinity. आता लिहायचंय f of s in 0 to infinity. e raised to minus mod s. Yes, it is correct. e raised to minus of mod s. But mod s कुठं? 0 to infinity वर, सगळ्या पॉझिटिव्ह व्हॅल्यूवर. mod s काय असणार आहे? sच असणार आहे. So it is e raised to minus s. We can, तिथे लिहून ठेवा, we can omit mod in 0 to infinity. पॉझिटिव्ह व्हॅल्यूवर मॉडची व्हॅल्यू ही पॉझिटिव्हच राहणार. mod x is x itself in 0 to infinity. इथे लिहा, mod x is x in 0 to infinity. Okay, so minus बाहेरचा as it is, mod of s is s in 0 to infinity cos omega s ds. आता जर इथे तुम्ही परत मॉड घेऊन करायला गेलात तर तुम्हाला पुढे सॉल्व्ह करायला प्रॉब्लेम होणार. मॉडचं काय करायचं लक्षात येणार नाही. सो दॅट हा 0 to infinity होत झाला की हे सगळं पॉझिटिव्ह होतं मॉड. चलो, पहिला पार्ट ॲज इट इज 2 बाय पाय. How will you solve this integration? You have to solve. There are two functions, e and cos. So how can we solve the integration here? Integration e raised to cos a plus b square. Yes, what is that formula? Do we remember? Integration e raised to ax into cos bx dx. We have this formula. Bola. E raised to ax upon a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx. आणखी एक आहे साइनचा, e raised to x upon a square plus b square. इथे साइन असेल तर हे सेम आहे. a sin bx, साइन असेल तर मध्ये मायनस b cos bx. राईट, नाउ दिस इज द फॉर्म्युला. cos असताना हा वापरूयात. व्हॉट इज a हियर? इफ वी कंपेअर a इज, हे s मध्ये आहे. इंस्टेड x, इट इज इन s. e raised to as -1. a is -1 and b is minus. Yes, b is omega. We'll write it e raised to ax as it is upon a square. A is -1, -1 square plus omega square into a. A is -1 cos omega s plus b. B is omega, omega sin omega s. And this is from 0 to infinity. A square plus b square, a cos plus b sine angle as it is omega s. So 2 by pi 0 to infinity cos omega x d omega. Upper limit is infinity. If we'll put infinity, what will happen? E raised to minus infinity. काय असतं e raised to minus infinity? 1 upon e raised to infinity. म्हणजेच 1 upon infinity. That is 0. So this e raised to minus infinity is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So upper limit is 0. Minus lower limit now. Lower limit ठेवायचा आहे 0. S च्या जागी 0. E raised to 0. 1 upon 1 square 1 plus omega square into cos 0 1 minus sign as it is minus 1 and s is 0 sin 0 0 so 0. Okay, so it is equal to 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity minus minus plus 0 cancels, it is 1 upon 1 plus omega square into cos omega x d omega, right? So there is no show that. So this is the required Fourier integral representation of the given function. Done. If it is show that something, then we can find the answer. If it is show that something like this, then that pi by 2 will go here and we'll write the value. But it is not there, so this is the required answer. Everyone is getting?
Ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So next question I'll give you. Try it. At least try it. If not, then I'll solve. Find the Fourier cosine integral. It is particularly given cosine integral of the function f of x is equal to x square in 0 to a and 0 when x is greater than a. Try it. So you will only have to consider the interval 0 to a, otherwise it is 0. And f of s will be s square. Chalo, start it. Write the definition of Fourier cosine. Solve it. 2 by pi 0 to infinity cos omega x d omega, and now function is s square. Limits are for that 0 to a into cos omega s ds. There are two functions of s, first and second. How can we solve the integration? Tell me, how can we solve this integration?
Integration u into v.
Yes, by Leibniz. So this is your u and this is your v, u into v. So it is equal to 2 by pi 0 to infinity, as it is everything. 0 to a, this by Leibniz. U into integration of v, integration of cos sine omega s upon omega, minus derivative 2s integration minus cos omega s by omega square, minus then plus derivative 2 sine omega s upon omega cube. Next derivative will be 0. So this is 0 to a. That is equal to 2 by pi 0 to infinity cos omega x d omega into upper limit is a for s. So it is a square sine omega a upon omega plus 2a cos omega a upon omega square minus 2 sine omega a upon omega cube upper limit minus lower limit 0 ठेवायचे एसच्या जागी. So 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0, sine 0, 0. So lower limit is 0. This is upper limit. That is equal to 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity a square sine omega plus 2a cos omega a by omega square minus 2 sine omega a by omega cube into cos omega x d omega. This is f of x and this is the required integral expression of the given function. Check your answer. Okay, now next try it. I'm here, you just try it. Express the function f of x is minus e raised to kx for x is less than 0 and e raised to minus kx for x is greater than 0 as Fourier integral, and hence prove that integration 0 to infinity omega sine omega x upon omega square plus k square d omega is equal to pi by 2 e raised to minus kx if x is greater than 0, comma k is greater than 0. बरं, आता मी तुम्हाला काही सांगत नाहीये. तुम्ही आपलं ट्राय करा आणि मला सांगा. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे 3 टाईपचे इंटिग्रल आहेत. एक तर बेसिक इंटिग्रल आहे फुरियर, तिथं तुम्हाला काही करायचं नाहीये. सेकंड, जर तुम्ही इवन ऑड चेक करू शकला देन व्हेरी गुड, काम थोडंसं कमी होतंय. करणार का चेक? ट्राय करणार का? ट्राय बघूयात काय होते. कारण मला इथे साइन ओमेगा एक्स दिसते. थोडी आयडिया मला इथनच येते. साइन ओमेगा एक्स दिसते म्हणजे हे साइन इंटिग्रल असावं, साइन असावं म्हणजे हे फंक्शन ऑड असावं असं मला वाटतंय. कारण त्यामध्ये मला फक्त साइन ओमेगा एक्स दिसतोय, बाकी तर सगळं ओमेगाचं फंक्शन. सो चेक इट वन्स whether it is even or odd. Check f of minus x. वेट करू, तुम्ही चेक करताय? करा बरं, काय ते मला सांगा. थांबलीये मी. Replace x by minus x everywhere and check. मिळते का? करताय का? इथे मी सगळीकडे एक्स ला मायनस एक्स लिहिलंय, इथे सॉल्व केलाय, मायनस मायनस प्लस, देन ऑन बोथ साइड्स साइन चेंज केलेत. इथे एक्स झाला, इथे 0 झाला आणि लेस विल बी ग्रेटर. सेम हिअर, ग्रेटर विल बी लेस. दॅट इज, मला जे पहिलं हवंय ते मी वरती घेते. मला एक्स लेस दॅन 0 वरती हवाय. सो मला हे वरती हवंय ते वरती लिहिते. पहिलं ई रेस टू के एक्स आले त्याचं फंक्शन वेन एक्स इज लेस दॅन 0, आणि मायनस ई रेस टू मायनस के एक्स आलाय वेन एक्स इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0. आता मी यातनं काय करतेय, निगेटिव्ह साइन एक बाहेर काढते, निगेटिव्ह आउट. म्हणजे इथं निगेटिव्ह नाहीये, निगेटिव्ह बाहेर झालंय म्हणजे हे निगेटिव्ह झालं. मायनस ई रेस टू के एक्स, सो दॅट इट विल बी प्लस वेन एक्स इज लेस दॅन 0. इथलं मायनस बाहेर गेलंय, दॅट इज प्लस ई रेस टू मायनस के एक्स वेन एक्स इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0. दॅट इज, आता जर तुम्ही बघितलं तर हा झाला मायनस ई रेस टू के एक्स वेन एक्स लेस दॅन 0, ई रेस टू मायनस के एक्स वेन एक्स ग्रेटर दॅन 0. दिस इज युअर फंक्शन, but there is minus sign out, so minus of f of x. That is odd function. The given function is odd. समजले का बघा, किंवा मला पुन्हा विचारा सांगते. Okay, good. So this is odd function, and as it is odd function, we find Fourier sine integral. Right. So Fourier sine integral definition घेऊया, ज्यामध्ये सगळं साइन आहे ती डेफिनेशन. f of x is 2 by pi 0 to infinity sin omega x d omega 0 to infinity f of s sin omega s ds. That is 2 by pi 0 to infinity sin omega x d omega. f of s लिहायचं आणि लिमिट्स पण लिहायचे. आता 0 to infinity हे लक्षात ठेवा. फंक्शन कडे चला. कुठलं फंक्शन लिहिणार सांगा. हा एक्स हा लेस दॅन 0 आहे, म्हणजे हा 0च्या मागे आहे. दॅट इज मायनस इन्फिनिटी टू 0 असं होऊ शकतं हे, राईट. आणि हा 0च्या पुढे आहे एक्स, म्हणजेच काय 0 टू इन्फिनिटी. आणि आपल्याला लिहायचा कुठला आहे, 0 टू इन्फिनिटी वरचं लिहायचं आहे. सो व्हॉट इज दॅट, f of s will be e raised to minus ks. 0 to इन्फिनिटी लिहायचं, हे लिहायचं नाहीये आपल्याला डेफिनेशन साठी. आपल्याला 0 to इन्फिनिटी वर जे काही फंक्शन आहे ते लिहायचे. सो फंक्शन इज e raised to minus k x आहे, पण आपण त्याला s मध्ये लिहिणार आहे. e raised to minus ks into sin omega s ds. याला सॉल्व करायचं. 2 by pi as it is sin omega x d omega. Okay, this is the formula again. E raised to ax cos, cos instead cos, there is sin. Formula is here. E raised to ax sin bx dx. E raised to ax upon a square plus b square. A sin bx minus b cos bx. This is the formula. A is minus k here and b is omega. E raised to minus ks upon minus k square plus omega square into a minus k sin omega s minus b is omega into cos omega s, and this is from 0 to infinity. That is 2 by pi. Upper limit infinity for s. s च्या जागी infinity ठेवा. हा होईल e raised to minus k infinity. That is e raised to minus infinity. That is 1 upon e raised to infinity. That is 1 upon infinity, and that is 0. The value is for upper limit 0 into anything 0. Minus. Now lower limit 0 ठेवायचं आहे. s च्या जागी e raised to 0 1 upon k square plus omega square sin 0 0 minus omega into cos 0 1. That is equal to 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity minus minus plus omega upon k square plus omega square into sin omega x d omega. This is f of x. Go to the prove that part. Where it is? Yeah. Omega upon, okay, everything is there. Omega upon, yes. So there is no 2 by pi, so we'll shift it. Just show that is this one. So it will be pi by 2 into f of x integration 0 to infinity omega sin omega x upon k square plus omega square d omega. But what is f of x? It is greater than 0. So what is the value of the function if x is greater than 0? It is e raised to minus kx. It is particularly asked for x is greater than 0. So for x is greater than 0, the value of the function is e raised to minus kx. So f of x, I can write e raised to minus kx. 0 to infinity omega sin omega x upon k square plus omega square d omega for what? For x is greater than 0. This is obvious. But for x is greater than 0, this function. आणि जर x less than 0 असता तर हे फंक्शन लिहिलं असतं आपण. So answer will be this 5 by 2 into minus e raised to kx. जर इथे x is less than 0 असता तर. So this is the proof. Hence the proof. Are you getting? एक होमवर्क देऊ का? कालचा मला कुणीही पाठवलं नाही होमवर्क. करा म्हटलं होतं मी. One more, just try it. This is the homework. Beta. Okay. Using Fourier prove that e raised to minus x cos x is 2 by pi 0 to infinity omega square plus 2 upon omega square plus 4 into cos omega x d omega. Okay, so this is your homework. इथे फंक्शनच दिसत नाहीये. फंक्शन कोणी मला सांगाल का? व्हॉट इज एफ ऑफ एक्स हे? फंक्शन दिसत नाहीये. काय सांगा बरं, काय फंक्शन? व्हॉट इज फंक्शन here?
E raised to minus x into cos x.
Very good. Show that, prove that this is equal to, and this actually is what always? F of x. We have seen, right? Everywhere. This is f of x is equal to, f of x is equal to, whatever it is, the formula is f of x is equal to, f of x is equal to. So this is your f of x. Consider this as f of x and solve, you will get this. Try, and if not, we'll solve it tomorrow. Any doubt? Please ask.